Alright, everyone here with another song using the chord buddy. If you don't know, this is a G, a D, a C, and an E minor. Don't mind my little bend that got on my arm here. I cut my wrist pretty bad, and I don't go to the doctors because I'm retarded. So I duct taped it all up. It'll be good. Anyways, this is explanation for Josh Turner's Long Black Train and where the changes come in at. I've already done this video multiple times, even with my equipment. It sounds way better on the equipment. But anyways, people want to know where the changes come in at. So I'm going to do them with one strum right now, go through the chords, explain to you where the changes come in at. And I'm not the best singer in the world, just sort of grunt through it with me and we'll see how it goes. It's going to start out on a G. It's going to go like this here. There's a long black train coming down the line, feeding off the souls that are lost and crying. Rails of sin, only evil remain. Watch out, brother, for that long black train, because there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father in His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. Now, if you add a, and that sort of works throughout the verse, second, and verse, in the chorus, and etc. Now, if you add it down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, strumming pattern to the second verse, this is what it would sound like if you started it out like that. You can look to the heavens, you can look to the sky. You will find redemption staring back into your eyes. Rails of sin, only evil remain. Watch out, brother, for that long black train, because there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father in His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. You can burn your ticket for that long black train. Alright, so anyways, what the chords are, and you can go through the video to see where they come in at. G, 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 E minor, G, 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 and then G, 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 D, G, then G, 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 D, D, E minor, D, C, G, 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 D, E minor, D, C, G, 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 D, G. Hopefully this has been helpful. This is Edwin, chord buddy, G, D, C, E minor, Josh Turner's Long Black Train. Y'all have a blessed day.